Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to play Brawl Stars on your laptop or PC. To play Brawl Stars on a PC or Mac, you need to use an Android emulator since there is no native version for desktops. Emulators like LD Player, Genymotion, and Mimu allow you to mimic the Android environment, but the best one of course is BlueStacks. So here are the steps. Firstly, head to the official BlueStacks website and download the setup file. Next, when the download is complete, install BlueStacks on your PC. Then open it, then go to Play Store in the emulator and sign into your Google account. Next, search for Brawl Stars and install it as you would do on an Android device. After installation, you can play the game directly from the emulator, with options to customize settings like resolutions and control. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.